Amazing health benefits of oranges. 1. Good for your skin. Oranges are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, which slows down the process of aging of your skin and makes you look younger than your age. Besides oranges, you can eat these fruits and vegetables for glowing skin. 2. Prevents hair loss. Orange has high vitamin C content, which is required for producing collagen, which, in turn, is responsible for keeping the tissues in your hair together. Eating oranges can ensure that you do not have to part with your lovely hair as you grow older. 3. Weight loss. 1 cup of oranges contains only 85 calories, making this a nutrient-dense, low-calorie food. The same serving also contains 4.3 grams of dietary fiber. This compound aids in weight loss by promoting regular bowel movements and helping you feel full for longer periods of time. 4. Prevents heart disease. One of the reasons why people get heart disease is because their arteries are blocked due to unhealthy lifestyles and the consumption of junk food. Oranges have flavonoids like hesperidin, which reduces cholesterol and prevents your arteries from getting blocked. This, in turn, protects you from heart attack and various other cardiovascular diseases. 5. Alleviates stress. Oranges are full of nutrition and health that will act as a stress buster and allow you to work tension-free throughout the day. 6. May support cancer prevention. Having cancer can be a tough and harrowing experience for both the patient and the caregiver. Research has shown that a compound called D-limonene present in oranges can prevent various types of cancer like lung cancer, breast cancer, skin cancer, etc. Additionally, the antioxidants and vitamin C help promote the body's immunity, which helps in fighting cancer cells. 7. High potassium content. Orange is one of those fruits which are extremely high in potassium, and due to such massive potassium content, it is considered to be one of the best fruits out there for people with a deficiency of this mineral from their body. 8. Destroys bacteria and virus. If you are facing some serious viral infections, then one of the best ways to fight that viral infection will take proper intake of orange extracts daily. If you are suffering from skin infections or fever caused by the virus, then also you can take orange. 9. Lowers blood pressure. Orange juice benefits in lowering blood pressure. It is one of the best fruits out there that can make your body healthy from the core, and for all the physical upsetting factors associated with such blood pressure symptoms, orange juice is the best for you. 10. Keeps you free from stomach ulcers. Oranges are a very good source of fiber, which helps keep your stomach and intestines healthy. A diet rich in fiber will ensure that you are not affected by ailments like stomach ulcers and constipation. 11. Strengthens immune system. Oranges also contain thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6, folate, pantothenic acid, phosphorus, magnesium, manganese, selenium, and copper. Because of their high vitamin C content, which is twice the daily need, oranges are associated with boosting the immune system. 12. Controls blood sugar levels. Diabetic patients are advised to include oranges in their diet to regulate blood sugar levels. High amounts of dietary fiber can improve the metabolic rate and aid in better digestion. This can also stimulate better insulin in the body. However, only whole fruits are good for diabetics, as juice can contain sugars and low fiber. 13. Prevents constipation. Oranges are known for having good amounts of fiber content. When it is consumed in the form of whole fruit, oranges can add bulk to your stools and flush them out seamlessly. 14. Improves vision. Along with our skin, our eyes too suffer from damage as we grow older. Oranges are rich in nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin C, and potassium, which are great for your eyes. So, if you want your vision to be just as good as it is now, eat an orange every day. 15. Improves blood circulation. Vitamin C is known as a natural blood thinner. Oranges are loaded with this vitamin, which can promote good blood flow in the body. It can strengthen the capillary walls and even prevent the accumulation of plaque. This prevents the risk of heart diseases and even sudden strokes. 16. Orange peel mask for skin whitening. If you are looking for a natural, homemade mask to reduce suntan and lighten your complexion, try this orange peel mask. Mix 1 teaspoon of orange peel powder with little rose water and multani mitti. Apply it as a thin layer on your face and leave it on for 15 minutes. Gently clean the face and pat dry to reveal younger, fresher looking skin. 17. Helps in brain development. Folate and folic acid present in oranges promote brain development and keep the vital organ in mint condition. In fact, these nutrients also make orange a healthy fruit for pregnant women as it prevents the baby from having neurological disorders later. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel to watch more content every day.